Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini ki long ki khubor bam da kasni Win charge ke Indian Youth Congress IYC na Meghalaya Samrat Jina but unong yalam ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Tim Jim Momin kila pelongi ke state executive meeting jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress ha Congress Bhawan Shillong Hadin ke jingelang usamrat jina ulo ong ba ke jingelang kala bishar bnia ya ke jingya chaprang jeng seng bar kala pin kre ya ke jingya trei hakilai banai banwan ulo ong ba ke youth congress kan net chaki college school ba bat kishnong ban ye kendu e ki samla bat banra e ki mat ki ba ki mat ulapin pau ru ya ke jing sngokya halor ke jing bamdon kamdan jam bat ki jing e jing ki khna puli ha ba ke do ya ke jingja ka be de ba examine neat ula Kynnoh ba ke Sorkar pedeng kam shem la pin I ke jing skolem ke babiang ya ki samla ba ki long yeng ki ba shakta ula ong ba ke youth congress kan yai beteng bringkat ba ki samla bat banra ka sur jong ki halor kinu kinu ki jing e ki ba ki mat utim jim moment pat ula ong ba ke seng kanang pen klan ya ke jing ye dei bat ki samla ha ke leng ke jela
In Shillong, there is extended state executive meeting of Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. In that meeting, our national leader, national in charge, Shri Manish Sharma ji was here, and our MP Salim ji is here, and our ex-PYC president, ex-minister Janit ji is also here, and our state president and other state executive member also here. The meeting's main purpose was to strengthen the organization, to strengthen our thoughts, to reach with youths our ideology. And in this state, we are facing job issues, we are facing drugs issues. So we just conduct the meeting and review our districts, our organization, and what is the next target in the states. Next 3 months proposed resolution was conducted. First thing is youth congress will be the main opposition of this government. We will raise our voice for the youths of Meghalaya, whoever facing any type of issues like drugs is a major problem in Meghalaya. Jobs, there is many vacant posts, but job is not given to the youths. So our main issues is Naukri do nasha nahi.
So you will be.
You can right now you are seeing need. 6 students are hanged themselves. They are suicide. But this government, not a minister, not prime minister, tells anything about them. No one is also reaching their families. This is a bad concept. If you are failed to conduct the exam and after that the students are getting suicide, at least your courtesy is that your social moral should be there to go at least to his family. But our party is with them, and if in the next NEET, if anything is going wrong, then it will be a bad situation in the country. We will stand with the students and we will make whatever the possibilities to sack these ministers and this government.
And need, as per the Meghalaya's perspective is concerned, we are very much sad to see that our Honorable Chief Minister has not even single out the one voice for the youth of the state. So we are so sorry to say that it's been like more than 2,000 to 3,000 students who has been appearing for the one of the prestigious exam and who is going to be the future, one of the most capable future doctors of this state. So we are very much sorry to say that the head of the state, our chief minister, is being compromised and being deprived by the ideology and suppression of BJP.
We will design that, we will youth connect, we'll go to the universities, go to the cafes, go to the parks where youths are available. We'll go to the last moment of the society to reach there, to reach their village, reach their city, reach their college, to our them.
What is As for the Youth Congress of Meghalaya, we have been raising this issue multiple times and again, and we are with the student whoever has been deprived through the discrepancy and paper leaks of NEET exam. So, since last month, we have been doing multiple times, and our stand is very clear. Dharmendra Pradhan has to be safe.
Gen Z nowadays, it is every political party are thinking that the next generation is Gen Z, and Gen Z will be the next game changer of the politics. If you are seen before that and earlier also, कि if any politics or any injustice is happening in the society through the politician or anything else, who is the react first? That is Gen Z. So right now Rahul ji is our Gen Z's first choice. Gen Z is supporting Rahul ji. You can tell about only Youth Congress, and our mostly main agenda was that to encourage the youths, to empower the youths, to connect the youths, and whatever the youth's voice, the voice will be from Indian Youth Congress. Meghalaya concept in this state, for youths, only one voice, one party, one organization will be the voice of youths of Meghalaya. That is Indian Youth Congress.
Well,
It depends upon the chief minister how he takes it seriously about the future of our youth. So it depends. I think we have to be very much clear. It's not about always whether we are winning the election or losing the election. It's about accountability and the cause of our citizen of the state and the future of our youth. So yes, we are very much with the youth and the future of our state. So anytime any issue that is raising the concern of our youth, and Youth Congress is always be there for the youth, future of the youth. Thank you very much.
Seen by you very soon. I think every month 3-4 times we will meet to you also, because you are the fourth pillar of the democracy, and when we go with the Gen Z voters in ground, in the field, in the road, then I think we and you always meet in that ground. It is the starting only, and day to day it will be increased. I will be here for work for organization, and I am assure you, madam, we will meet you again.